perfect harmony. Rashes, night sweats, and vaginal dryness. Myths and misconceptions about the female body have persisted for far too long, often fueled by a lack of accurate information and cultural taboos. It's time to debunk these myths and replace them with evidence-based facts. One common myth is that douching is necessary to keep the vagina clean. The vagina is a self-cleaning organ, and douching can actually disrupt its natural pH balance, increasing the risk of infections. Another misconception is that a woman can't get pregnant while on her period. While it's less likely, ovulation can occur at different times during the menstrual cycle, making pregnancy possible.